Hello, this is Kevin Trainer, and welcome to my tutorial. This is for the senior capstone. This is for students who are using macOS, and the skill that we're covering is how to find your terminal window and how to make an SSH connection to your SOIS web server account. So, how do you find your terminal window? Well, terminal is just a utility program. So, there's a lot of ways to find it, but the most graphical way to find it is to go down to this launch pad in your dock. You can see I keep almost everything in my dock. Okay, and then you go to this other group, and a terminal looks like a terminal window. You click on that to start it. Okay, and the other thing that I do is I find it in the dock. Now I've already added mine to the dock, but what you do if you had just run this and hadn't been added yet, but you'd probably see the terminal icon way over on the right, and you would right click and pick options, and you click keep in dock, which of course I've already done. So that way, the next time that you need to get to your terminal window, you're not hunting for the program. Okay? And so what do we want to do? Well, we want a secure connection to my account on the SOIS web server. And the program that we use for that is called SSH. So I type in SSH space, and then my user ID at SOIS, that's trainer K, and then an @ sign, and then the name of the SOIS server, which is uwmsois.com. So I said SSH space trainer K, whatever your user ID, at uwmsois.com. Then return, and it asks you for your password. So I remember mine. I think I do. I put that in, and I'm logged in. Okay. So the tutorials from here, they start from exactly this point. Okay. At this point, when you log in, you're at your home directory. That's because we can see in the prompt this little tilde here. And that's where you're going to be when you start the next tutorial. So I'm going to say bye until next time. Bye bye. Oh, you know what else I wanted to tell you? When you're done with a terminal window on the Mac, okay, it's polite. Right now we have this terminal window has a connection to our server at uwm.sois, and we want to close it. So how do we close it? With exit. Okay, and you can say a connection to uwmsois.com was closed, and then we can just close the window, and we're done. Okay, now I'm going to say bye. See you next time.